In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from your Hostinger account using Gmail. This is a great way to keep everything centralized and to take advantage of Gmail's powerful features for managing and sending emails. So let's get started with setting this up. First, let's open your Gmail account. Tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Here, we want to dive specifically into the Accounts and Imports tab, found amongst the various tabs on this page. Inside the Accounts and Imports tab, look for the section labeled Send Mail As. This allows you to define additional email addresses that Gmail can send emails on behalf of. Click on Add Another Email Address, which is usually a button or link found near this section. A new window will pop up asking for some key information. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear to your email recipients, and then type in your Hostinger email address. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure to check the box that says Treat as an alias. This setting ensures that Gmail treats this email address like one of your own, merging it seamlessly with your primary Gmail setup. Once done, click Next Step. Now we need to verify this new sending address. You'll be asked to enter the password for your Hostinger email account. Make sure this is correct, as it grants the necessary permissions for Gmail to send emails from it. You'll notice an option to select the type of connection. Definitely choose Secured Connection using SSL to ensure that all your communications are made over the most secure method possible. Next, you'll need the SMTP server address and port number from your Hostinger account. You can find these details in the Connect Apps and Devices section of your Hostinger account. Typically, the SMTP server is smtp.hostinger.com, and the port number to use is 465. Enter these details carefully in the corresponding fields. Once everything is filled in, click Add Account. This prompts Gmail to send a confirmation email to your Hostinger webmail to finalize this setup. Now, hop over to your Hostinger webmail. Refresh your inbox if necessary, and look for a confirmation email from Gmail. Open it and click the included confirmation link. This crucial step authorizes Gmail to send emails on your behalf using your Hostinger address. Congratulations, you've now integrated your Hostinger email into your Gmail account, enabling you to manage all your emails in one convenient place. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your email management.